Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got a scale off of Amazon. It's not an Amazon brand scale. I'm not sure the exact, it's called Greater Goods, so that's the name of the company, I think, Greater Goods. It's called that. It says pull this tab to open it up, so you got to pull this tab right here. It's a glass kitchen scale. This is supposed to be a black kitchen glass scale, so it's very easy to clean when you use it in the kitchen and stuff like that. It's supposed to be an updated version of the other one, so that's why I got it. And I think it was around $17-18, something like that. Yeah, it was around $17-18 I got it for. So this is kind of what it looks like, and that's what's it. So let's open this up. Can you guys see it? Let me make sure. Yeah, you can. Okay, let's open this up. So let's pull the tab open. So we're going to pull the tab open just like that. Pull this open. It says, congratulations, learn how you're giving back with every purchase at the link below. So go to the link and I guess you'll see how to, whatever, I don't know, be updated on that. So here's the Greater Goods little pamphlet that they give you right here. 100% money back warranty with register at the link below. Warning, register, how you register everything, that's it. So that's kind of it. That's what they sent you like that. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's open this up and see what's up. It is stuck in the case. So I'm just going to pull it out because my casing is stuck inside the box for some reason. So I'm just going to pull mine out, and this is what it looks like. This is how big it is. It goes this way, I guess, and that's kind of what it looks like, so you guys can see. So it has the 0 power right here, and the unit to hold right here, and I'm not sure what that button is up there on the top. So we'll see what that is. So there's a pull tab on the back over here that says pull the tab out to get it started. So we're going to pull it out. And it already started up. So now you can see it started up. There is what it's starting right there, and it says the ounces because I'm holding on to it, so it's a little messed up. But it will say 0 when I hold it from the back. See, it does say 0 when I hold it from the back, but when I press on it, obviously it holds that. So that's kind of how it goes. That's what it looks like. You can hit, let me see, units. Yeah, so it goes to grams, flow ounces, milliliters. I don't know how that works, milliliters, but that's what it says. And this is ounces and pounds. And back to grams again, and that's it. And this is how you zero it out. So I guess this is the tar. So if you want to zero out your unit, you can use that to tar it out or zero it out or whatever the case may be. And that's it. So that's kind of what it looks like. I'm going to test it out with my rats in the next video. This is just an unboxing review of kind of what it looks like. When I hold it down, though, it does say 8 ounces of... so this is definitely needs to be calibrated because when I hold it down, it says that it has 240 milliliters of liquid in here, and that's not true. I have no liquid in there, so that's what I mean. I don't get it. So this thing needs to be calibrated. For now, that's it. That's what you're going to get. Thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Have a good one. Enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I always do updates on all my stuff that I put up, and I do updates on, I'm going to do an update on this, and just to help everyone out with, what you guys are going to buy or whatever. All right? Have a good one. Everybody enjoy. Bye-bye.